In the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to teach you letter writing or tense. And in tense you will do present continuous tense. First of all, what is a letter? I am going to tell you. A letter is a conversation by post. We write letter to express our feelings and to get information. My dear students, one thing keep in your mind. Language of letter should be clear, brief or simple. There are two basic types of letters. Formal letters or informal letter. Formal letter is written for official purpose to authorities or seniors. Like write a letter to the principal of your school, write a letter to the editor of newspaper, etc. An informal letter is written to a friend, family members or an acquaintance. In today's class, I am going to teach you how will you write an informal letter. In this slide, you can see a format of informal letter. First of all, you will write the complete address, that is, the address of a writer at the top of the left-hand corner of the page. After that, you will write salutation like dear friend, my dear uncle, dear sister, and so on. After this, the next part of informal letter is body of the letter. Whatever you want to write, you can write here or you can express here in this portion. After body of letter, the last part of the letter is subscription. Subscription is different in different letters. For example, yours lovingly, yours affectionately, your loving friend, your loving brother, and so on. Now, you have to write a letter to your sister for congratulating her on her success in exam. The letter is written in doc file. Let's move towards the next topic. Next topic is present continuous tense. This tense is also called present progressive tense. This tense is used to show the action is going on at the time of speaking. For example, I am teaching you. For example, you are listening me. This tense can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in near future. Sometimes speaker use the present progressive tense to indicate that something will happen in near future. For example, I am going to the party tonight. He is coming with us tonight. These are the example of present continuous tense. Now students, see the structure of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. First of all, you will write subject, then auxiliary verb is, am, are, then main verb, present participle form, that is first form of verb with ing. Then you will write object. One thing keep in your mind, if subject is first person plural, that is we, or second person singular or plural, that is you, and third person plural, that is they, then you will use auxiliary verb are, as you are looking in this slide. If third person, singular or singular noun, then you will use auxiliary verb is. And if first person is singular, that is I, then you will use auxiliary verb am. Example, they are studying English. We are studying English. She is studying English. I am studying English. Did you know that, beta? How I will use with different persons, singular, plural, auxiliary verb are, is, am. Okay? Now, you can see in further examples. Example number 1. In affirmative sentence, we are playing badminton outside. If you want to make negative of this sentence, then you will add not just after auxiliary verb. We are not playing badminton. If you want to make interrogative, then auxiliary verb will come at the beginning of sentence, that is before subject. Example, are we playing badminton outside? Next example, you are watching a movie. For negative, you are not watching a movie. Are you watching a movie? Question mark. Next example, they are flying kites. They are not flying kites. Are they flying kites? And question mark. Next example, he is sleeping. Negative, he is not sleeping. And for interrogative, is he sleeping? Then at the end of sentence, question mark. Next example, I am driving my car. For negative, I am not driving my car. For interrogative, am I driving my car? And at the end of sentence, question mark. My dear students, you have seen here different examples. Let's move towards exercise. Translate the following sentences into English. There are 5 sentences. You have to translate these sentences into English. Number 1, अम्मी खाना पका रही हैं. Number 2, परिंदे अपना घोंसला बना रहे हैं. Number 3, हवाई जहाज परवास कर रहा है. Number 4, सना गुड़िया से खेल रही है. Number 5, वो गाना सुन रही है. Students, you have to translate these sentences into English, then change into negative and interrogative. Today's topic ends here. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.